What's up? Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. It's been about 4 months since I did a video. Anyways, check this out, guys. Monument Grills sent me the MESA 300. It's brand new. Well, it came out about 4 or 5 months ago. I'm not gonna show you guys how I put it together, but it did take me some time. Took me maybe 2 hours or so. Yeah, about 2 hours it took me to build. Let's just get into the pit. I have not done not one cook yet. I've been busy at work. Just work. Too many freaking hours. But I will eventually be cooking on this grill right here. Show you guys how to do some tri-tip and some ribs, you know. But let's get right into it, guys. Let's take this cover off. Check this bad boy out. Comes with the freaking thermometer there. Step back. You gotta say, man, this is a nice looking pit here, guys. You know what I like about this? Came with extra parts. I didn't need it, but it did came with extra parts. Oh shit. The manual, like I said, took me 2 hours to build or so. Look at this. It's freaking great. It has the drip pan. It has a drip pan. Watch, let me take you towards the back. I plan to line this with foil. It's easy access. It's pretty nice. It has a drip tray right here. Bam. Propane tank in the back. Like I said, this is a pretty sweet little barbecue. You know what I do like about this? The casters down at the bottom, they all lock. They all have a locking mechanism here. So that's pretty cool. All of them do. Check it out. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm not really a gas grill person. I'm more of a Santa Maria real wood fire kind of guy. Would I recommend this pit? Hell yeah, I would. Shout out to Monument Grills for hooking it up. It's a nice grill, man. It's under, they have it set at $395, and I believe with taxes it comes out to like 435 bucks. It ain't a bad deal, to be honest with you guys. To me, a gas grill is something for a quick cook, you know, for the average Joe to cook. Not knocking on anybody, but you know what, guys? The grill's cherry. I do have some issues. I do have some issues about this pit, and it's not Monument Grill's fault. It came damaged. So when I put it together, I think I have a picture or two I can show you. It just is jacked up. Can it cook still? Yeah, it could, of course, but it is damaged. The enamel inside the pit is damaged. The paint's off, so it's gonna rust much faster. I'm sure Monument Grills will replace it, whatever is wrong with your pit. You guys can see it. It's a little damage right here. The enamel came off. As you can see, it's right here. It has a cooling rack. It's pretty sweet on any pit, if you ask me. As for the rotisserie, ready for rotisserie. You got this side burner, freaking cherry, right? All stainless steel. You got a little switch right here. Everything lights up. Check that out. Obviously, you can't see it because it's light out. You got your propane tank down here. I know I got this backwards. This part is supposed to be on this side to lock it, right? So what I did like, this is magnetic right here, this piece. On my other pit, it's a sticky. This time it's magnetic. It's pretty sweet. The magnets work really well. Another little thing that I like here was the bottle opener. Pretty damn sweet. It does have the hooks, 3 hooks. This side burner, you can do all kinds of stuff with it, right? Guys, I know it's dark, but I waited for this to show you in the dark. So let's go ahead and put this little light on, little switch right there. Look at this, is one cool feature that I love about this grill here. Check this out. Most grills don't tell you when the gas is on. This one does. When the light turns red, that's when the gas comes out. So check this out. Turn it on, gas is on. Bam! Is that awesome or what? Now you don't have to guess. Turn on all of them all at once. Check this out. Bam! They all turned on. Isn't that a cool feature? Oh, the spotlight turned on, but that is a cool feature. Look at that. So now you don't have to guess if your gas is on. Shout out to Monument Grills, man. I got down on that little upgrade that they did. And not only that, as you can see, all of them turned on. As you can see, all of them turned on all at the same time, which is, to me, it's freaking awesome. Right? Put the little clicker on. Bam! I love it. I freaking love it. Well, let's go ahead and shut this off. Shut this off. As soon as it's off, the light turns white. Let me tell you, shout out to Monument Grills. It's freaking cast iron. I mean, there's so much. I know this is gonna be a small review, but let me tell you guys, I'm gonna do a few cooks on this, and I'm gonna let you guys know what's what I like and what I don't like. I mean, just in the appearance, it's a freaking great pit. I love it. It has this see-through glass. Let's turn this on in the night. Let's see. Put the little clicker on. Bam. So that's pretty cool, right? You can see through that glass. You see a little bit more because I got that little plate off. Damn, son. So yeah, it's gonna be a freaking nice pit right here. Like I said, I'm gonna do a little bit more on this pit. I'll get cooking on it. Like I said, I want to do a tri-tip on this bad boy. Killer. It is killer. There's a little switch right here. Shut it off. Bam. Love it, guys. Alright guys, check this out. So Monument Grills is doing a giveaway, okay guys? And the rules are so simple. All you gotta do is follow my channel and follow Monument Grills. A chance to win one of the 3 grills that they're providing. They're providing the 605 Pro Denali, the MESA 415BZ, and the MESA 200G. All 3 pits are amazing. My personal pick would be the 605 Pro Denali, with no doubt. But anyways, I'll leave the link down below. Do what you gotta do to win one of these grills. And big shout out to Monument Grills for sponsoring this video.